Hey, what is happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, founder of CameronLimitless.com. In this one, I want to share with you what's a good marketing strategy. I'm going to break it down to you step by step. Hopefully, you can pick up this idea. Really, first, I want to cover, when we're marketing and going out there, we're building our internet business, our limitless lifestyle business, and everything like this. There's two different ways that you can go about it. You can go out there, you can be like the hunter who's out there trying to hunt and catch fish all day. When you catch a fish, you eat for the day. Then you have to get up the next day, go out there and hunt, catch a deer, take it down, skin it, eat it, whatever. This is like hunting. So you're out there hunting for a seal, hunting for a customer, hunting. Now this isn't really a good strategy, my opinion. Now, yes, you can do that type of marketing if you really want to and things like that. But what we want to talk about today is really like farming marketing, okay? And it's really like attraction marketing, okay? So if you're asking what is a good marketing strategy, it's what I'm going to share with you today on the Team Limitless podcast, my friend. So what we're covering is farming marketing and attraction marketing, okay? So when we're looking at this here, okay, we could be talking about videos, we could be talking about email marketing, we could be talking about all different types of marketing, like research marketing. I don't know. There's more than enough that we could cover today. I want to zone it right into the whole idea of attraction marketing. Okay, I'm going to share with you a breakdown of how we can actually go about this here. So, what we can really think about, and it's one of the most basic principles when it comes to attraction marketing and direct response marketing. So, for example, if you know about let's say it's brand building, you want to build a brand through brand awareness marketing. In contrast to that, we would be putting out all these ads to everybody about our brand, and it would build awareness and people would know about our brand. What we really want to do is we want to zone it in to a specific marketing, okay? A specific market. So for example, here at Team Limitless, we talk to specifically working people and students, okay? So we want to identify a market that we're going to be talking to, because we don't want to talk to everybody, because that would just be like brand awareness. You need really big, deep pockets to do that type of thing, and it takes a long time to see results, if you even measure the results at all. Okay, so identify a market. You want to identify your message to the market, and then you want to identify your media. Is your media going to be email? Is it going to be Facebook ads? Is it going to be newspapers? Is it going to be display traffic? Pick your media. So you pick, is it going to be like YouTube, for example? Is it going to be Facebook? Is it going to be, let's say, Instagram? Choose your media, choose your market, and then choose your message. Your message has to solve a specific problem for that market. So if you keep these three ideas in mind, message, market, and media, okay, when we move on to these next parts in this Team Limitless podcast. So what are the basic principles of direct response marketing and attraction marketing? So instead of hunting with going out there just chasing people to make a sale, we're going to be putting stuff out there in the marketplace, whether it be through ads or content, speaking to a specific person. We're going to be farming, so it's like we're sowing seeds here, watering them, nurturing them, looking after them, and up pops our crop. Then we can harvest our crop. We can eat all year round, pretty much. If we do the farming right, we'll have plenty of stuff for the winter, all this here type of stuff. So what ideally you want to do whenever you've got your market, message, and media. So for example here, our message is we want to help people create freedom with a limitless lifestyle business. Our market is working people and students, and our media today is via podcast, or depending if you're watching this video on YouTube. So this is our market, message, and media. What we're going to do is we always want to make an offer. So my offer for you today is, if you want to learn how to create freedom with a limitless business, I'm giving away free members access. It's the silver membership, where you can go in and learn about the limitless lifestyle business for completely free. And you can do that at limitlessfuture.club, limitlessmoneyhub.com. Okay, and this is where you can get silver members access. So once you get in there, you're going to see everything that we do. Okay, and I've got a really special offer for you if you're one of the first 100 people to get inside. So always make an offer whenever you're putting out your message on that media to your specific market, you always want to create an offer. You always want to have an offer for someone to make them an offer every single time. Okay? You want to give people a reason to respond now. Okay? When you're doing this here. So a reason for you to respond now is once the first 100 people get in, we're closing off the special pricing that we've got for the gold membership. If you're interested in going to gold, we've got a special pricing where it's only $24 right now for the first 100 people. If you want to get in while you're the first 100, one of the first 100, you're going to get upgraded to the entire gold level and all of the bonuses that's going to be added in there once we get 100 customers. Now, the third thing you want to really do is you want to give clear instructions of how people can actually respond. Okay? Now, after that, you want to make sure and measure and track everything. Okay? This is something that you can't really achieve when you're doing brand awareness marketing. But when you're doing attraction marketing, and specifically online, and doing your internet marketing, you can track stuff. And we recommend different trackers and things like that you can achieve tracking and return on your investment. Tracking, and you can be accountable for the money that you spend. How much have you spent? How much did you make? Is that a winning campaign? Do you need to make a new campaign? When you track things, you can be super optimized. Okay? So tracking and measurement, track your results. This is the only way that you can build a brand at no cost. Okay? You can spend money on an ad on a specific media. Say, for example, it's Google ads. We're calling out working people and students, and we're saying if you want to create freedom with a limitless business, we can show you how to do that. All you have to do is click the link below, and you'll go to the Limitless Money Hub, and you'll get silver members access today. And if you're like, you can get upgraded to gold at a super discounted price for the first 100 people. That's clear call to action. But basically, when we're running these ads, people are going to be coming in. They're going to be upgrading to the gold and things like this here, and we're going to build a brand indirectly, okay, at no cost. Okay, rather than spending all this money on building a brand and brand awareness marketing, we're going to be super smart, and we're going to focus on our message marketing media. We're going to be farming, and we're going to be building a brand indirectly. So yes, we're going to be putting these messages out there. People are going to be responding. People will indirectly get used to your brand, okay, which is super cool. Another really important one is when we do this, we always want to follow up with people, okay? Now, if we do this right, we can follow up with people in a certain way, and it's going to be 10 times more effective than if you never followed up at all. Probably even way more effective than 10 times. Another part of like attraction marketing, you want to know really about persuasive writing and being an attractive person. So there's different elements that fall into that. We can go into that a little bit more depth, but really you want to be like the personality that people can resonate with and things like this here. And you want to have really good like copywriting. If you don't know what copywriting, it's basically like words that sell. So you want to be able to paint a picture of what life could be like. For example here, your life could be like, you could create your own schedule using a limitless lifestyle business. You'll end up working a lot at the start to end up working less, to not making much money at the start to making a lot more money at the end. Okay? And it kind of goes like, you work really hard at the start and then your workload goes down. You become more effective and your income goes up. Okay? So ultimately, you could be working less hours and making more money than you're doing right now. Yes, at the start, you'll probably work more hours than you're working right now if you're already working in a job. But eventually, once you go full-time online, you'll be able to work less hours than you're currently working at your job now. You'll be way more effective and you'll make more money, okay? And ultimately, you'll be able to spend more time with your family, have more money to do the things you want to do. You'll be better off financially if you follow our financial freedom formula and all this here stuff. So, you want to have strong copywriting skills and being able to paint a picture for people and like almost persuade and be not salesy but helpful in a right way that encourages people and builds trust with people, builds trust and confidence. Okay, now I want to explain the system. Okay, now there's a few different parts of the system, and really what the first part is, and maybe if you've been following me for any length of time, you'll know I always talk about lead generation. Okay, but basically you want to have like a lead magnet and a lead generation system, and you're going to run ads to this system. Okay, and you're going to follow the message market media rollout for your advertising, whether it's content marketing, pay-per-click, influencer marketing. You're going to run this out there, and it's going to attract people to your business, where you're going to have a lead magnet. Okay, and you're going to give away something in exchange for your email address or something like that there. Then you're going to generate a lead in an email. Okay, running ads and you're generating leads. This is the very first part. Now, what you ideally want to have is you want to have a lead magnet. Now, if you don't know what a lead magnet is, I show you all about this type of thing inside the Limitless Money Hub. You can go and check that kind of thing out all at limitlessmoneyhub.com. Now, a lead magnet is something your ideal customer would love, and it explains what it is you actually do. So for example, here we have the Team Limitless Ultimate Secrets Blueprints, and they're the ultimate secrets to build the traffic and conversions online. Now, my ideal customer would love this because they're initially started wanting to do something online. Traffic and conversions are big hot buttons in my market. So someone who's already initiated, they already want to start their online business, but they don't know what to do. Once they start learning the lingo of like traffic and conversions, that's going to resonate with people. So you can get the Ultimate Secrets Blueprints for traffic and conversions inside the Limitless Money Hub as well. So you want to have a lead magnet, and that lead magnet could be a report, it could be a free course, it could be a case study, it could be a free survey, it could be all these different types of things. It's only really down to your imagination. It's limited to your imagination. So you want to find out what your ideal customer would love. For us, it was the traffic and conversion blueprints. Resonates with people in my market. So you want to identify what your lead magnet is that you're going to give away for free to attract people to your business. The next part is after someone gives you an email address and they've seen what it is you're doing, they're like, right, okay, I know what it is now, and I know exactly what it is, but they want to go to the next step. You're going to have a conversion system, okay? And inside a conversion system, you want to be really smart about this, okay? Now, when I started online, I just had one lead magnet, and I sent people to one affiliate thing, and then I had an email list, and then I would just send people emails to pieces of value, taking them to different affiliate things. Now, what would be way, way more smart if you could have your own conversion system and you had a multi-step campaign. A multi-step campaign basically is when you give something away for free, like for example our lead magnet or freemium, the next step would be like a tripwire offer, something like it's $1, $7, $24, $97, something low ticket that doesn't take someone a lot of thought to buy, okay? Then once they buy something, you want to have like a multi-step thing going on, okay? We can look into that more inside the Limitless Money Hub, but you want to have a conversion system that follows a multi-step campaign, okay? Then the final thing that you want to incorporate inside your attraction marketing, okay, when you're farming instead of hunting, is you want to have a retention system. Retention system is really, really important because it's going to get people to stay, okay? It's going to get people to come back. Now, this could be your brand. It could be the value that you deliver. It could be the way that you deliver your products and services inside your conversion system, okay? But you ideally want to have a retention system, and we like to call it your your honey pot, okay? And it's like your honey pot that gets bringing people back over and over and over again. The people that are on your list, other people, they know your brand, now they're coming back over and over again, and it's going to create a retention, okay? And you want a retention system that's going to bring people back to purchase other products. Maybe it's a different product, maybe it's an affiliate thing, but ideally you have a retention system in place, you have a conversion system, and you have a lead magnet, okay? And then you want to run ads to your lead magnet, and then your lead magnet is a system in itself. It generates you leads. Your conversion system takes over, and it's a multi-step thing, which is all automated, systematized. It creates you massive leverage. And then you want to always remember about retention, because you don't want to just like sell somebody something to get in, and it's like, oh, that was it. you want to shock and wow people enough that they're like, whoa, this was so good, I just want to get more of that. And you do that by shock and wow. You can give them a lot of value up front, all this type of stuff, and create a really great first impression at the start. This is a good marketing strategy that you could start today. It's not just video marketing. It's not just about running pay-per-click ads. It's not just about putting a display ad up there or running the Goodyear blimp that's going to cost you a fortune. This is a business marketing strategy for small businesses that's really effective. It's going to build you a brand indirectly. It's going to get you results faster, and ultimately it's going to help you create freedom for your limitless future, my friend. So, like I said, I give you the call to action already in this podcast and the video. If you want to learn more about this here and creating a limitless business for yourself, you can go to limitlessmoneyhub.com. For the very first 100 people, it's free membership access anyway. Once you get inside, I'll teach you all about what it is we do. If you think this is great, there's a limited time offer where you can upgrade to gold membership for only $24. And then once we get 100 customers, I'll be giving you all the bonuses on top of that as well, my friends. So this was it, and I hope that you liked this here podcast. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great one, and peace.